right career path in my life. From my schooling, two words just very much familiar in my mind: job and good salary. So from my parents and from the society, these two words: you have to study for good job and for good salary. And that came to my mind, and it's just grown. And I was very far away from career. I did not understand at that time what's a career. So slowly I grown up, and improper guidance from the society, people, and unawareness of my parents, I choose where I was not aware, and I opt for graduation in social work, bachelor's in social work. I got admission in master's in social work, but I left it and I joined management because according to my parents, where salary and job is good, I should go there. But slowly when I realized what is career, I think it was too late and I was not able to raise voice at where I want to go. And finally I came in this development sector, and at this moment, actually sometimes the voice was coming from my heart, and I was trying to listen to myself that where I have to go. But I was listening, and then I was just keep silent myself. That's all. But after so many years, and now at this stage, I came to know that now where I have to go, and for whom I have to work. And finally, mental health, that's my passion, just close to my heart, and now I would like for that profession. And really, I thank God. I think I feel that I made a wrong choice in my life, but maybe for God, it is right that at this moment He put me at the right time in the right profession. That's what I understood. So I thank